This is the best water ride in the world. Biberberg or Beaver Lodge is located at Familypark Austria. Built in 2022, this water ride is our favourite water ride that we have ever been on.
This may actually be one of the best water rides I've ever been on in my life. Water rides are like my soft spot. Other than roller coasters, I'll always take a water ride.
It's something about them. I don't know if it's the gentle rocking, the nice theming, or the fact that you don't know when the next drop is coming. It's coming soon.
This actually is cool. It has lots of different features.
This is such an unexpected ride.
If you're liking the video so far, like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
We're going backwards. Backwards, backwards, backwards. It's really cool.
What an incredible ride! That may be the best water ride I've ever been on in my life. Oh, there's more.
Is he seeing the Achtung? I don't think he's seeing the Achtung. I don't think he saw the Achtung.
That wasn't a great idea.
You didn't see the Achtung, did you?
That was brilliant.
Und bis bald. We recommend you watch this video next, or click the other button to subscribe to our channel. We have been Asher and Troy, your coaster and couple, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.